always had a taste for another thrill. When I hit a wall and I'm put to the test, always find it hard to ignore it. When I feel the heat, I know I'm on my way. Still in a spot that burns so bright, I'll be on my feet till I reach the day. I'll be searching for the sound of light. Never fear the fire, never bound for rest, never had a need for an empty chest, never still alive, got no man has touched. I've got to see for myself how it's burning. When I feel the heat,